So in this video we are going to solve two questions based on Ohm's law and series and parallel combination of resistances. So in this question you can see that we have to calculate the current through R3. So first we will calculate the total current, and then we will check how much current is flowing through the one particular resistance. So first we need to calculate the equivalent resistance. So these two 4 ohm resistors are connected in parallel. So this will result in R equal to 2 ohm. So two resistance equal value parallel में है, then its value will be half. Now this two and this one, these resistances are in series, so final resistance will be 2 plus 2 plus 1, 5 ohms. Now net voltage is given 10 volt, so we can calculate the current. Current will be V upon net resistance, that is 10 volt divided by 5 ohms. It will give us 2 ampere of current. Now it is clear that through this wire 2 ampere of current is flowing, but at this junction the current get divided into two parts. As the two resistance values are equal, so the current will get divided into two equal parts. So 1 ampere of current will pass through this resistance and 1 ampere of current will pass through this resistance, and we have to give the current through this 3 ohm, so it is 1 ampere. So this answer will be correct. So we can choose this option, check answer. So this is the correct answer. Let's move to next question. So in this question we have given current and we have to find the net resistance and the voltage potential difference. So first we will calculate the net resistance. So this 6 ohm and 6 ohm will give us 3 ohms. In last question also we had used this technique. Next this 3 and 3 will give us completely 1.5 ohms. Then this 1.5 and this 2.5 are in series, so this will give us 1.5 plus 2.5, 4 ohms of resistance. Net current is 2 ampere, so voltage we can calculate 2 into 4, so 8 volt. So voltage is 8 volt and resistance is 4 ohms. Now this first option is having same values, so we can check the answer. So this answer is correct. So that's all for this video. In next video we will solve rest of the questions. Thank you.